Simplify 5x minus 3y.
2x minus 7y.
Correct. Expand x divided by 3.
X squared over 9.
Correct. When is the value of a minus b divided by 9 when a is minus 10 and b is 30?
4.
Correct. Solve for x in
7.
Correct. Find 1 over 4 of 32y. Correct. What is the value of x if 3x plus 4 is equals to 5x minus 6?
5.
Correct. Find the HCF of 10ax squared and
2ax.
Correct. What's the coefficient of x squared in y equals to 7?
Minus 5.
If it takes 1.5 hours to watch this film.
Skip.
Simplify 27x raised to the power 3 times 64x raised to the power 6 all raised to the power 1.3 times 3x all raised to the power minus 1.
When you mentioned that there has been a destruction, so Seth had destroyed all of the previous things, the systems, the lies, the misinformation, misappropriated control, lack of accountability, weaknesses, politics, management of control, housing and accommodation. How do we move forward as a collective? What needs to be rebuilt?
We are at the same level with the foreigners who came here and stole and re-established. Now they are ruling us based on what was stolen from us. So that is why, City, we need to rebuild now outside politics, outside religion, so that because that is what we need. We need unity. So that sense in Jengamachaya, when it comes to their new year, they're united. You can be in London or America, whatever. When it is Chinese New Year, you partake in that. So we want a similar thing where we are going to be able to unite all black people all over the world so that NATO we follow that. Into a sense of good, because you can go anywhere in the world. You'll find that divisions now. We don't have a common vision.
We're doing this for our children, so that when they grow up, at least bayas baba puma bangobani, and they can make wiser decisions. Because we were all brought into this not knowing who we are, and we made so many mistakes, but there's always a time when you look inside you and you can feel who you are.
So isikhathi sokuphahla nayo yonke into ela, even abantu mebethola ikhalenda, they will then understand ukuthi it's nothing new. Okhokho babo use this calendar ukuthi baphila ngayo. This is what informed them, on a daily basis. They knew ukuthi mekuvele ilanga ekuseni, this is what they need to do. Emini nantambama nasebusuku futhi what is 6 o'clock abantu bathi u12 abelingi bathi u12. Because u12 you must know to divide either ubusuku or imini. Abantu, when we spoke about the danger that is coming, abantu they thought ukuthi siyakhuluma nje. We need to decolonize lo mqondo, and I think the first stage nje ukuthi abantu bathole calendar inayo yonke imphahlo, because njenge season Maat unayo yonke everything that you need to do during this season, even imiphahlo yakhona, namahubo akhona okumele uwasho lamahubo so that you create a vibrational frequency which then links you with the prevalent energy, the frequency of the energy that is prevalent at a particular time.